So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Jntu Explainer. See, the TG ICET counseling has been started from today, and most of the students are still confused at how they should register themselves or how they should pay the processing fee and how can they book a slot to go and verify your certificates offline. So this is the official website from where you can do everything related to the counseling, and these are the things that you should do in as a first step. But before going into that, we have to discuss some things. See, if you are someone from minority and you didn't get a seat, or some of your friend who belongs to minority, he has not qualified for the examination, then this is for them. See, they should log in from here. From here they should fill the application form. See, mobile number, email ID, qualification, hall ticket number. See, this is the hall ticket number for TG ICET. No, sorry, for the qualification hall ticket number, which belongs to the TG ICET. And then they should write this captcha over here, and then they need to write a application, and then they need to submit that. And then coming back, here are the not qualified or non appeared NQ&A minority notification. Then completely read this notification, then you need to go for the further step. And if we speak about how we can register ourselves or pay the fee, then let's start the video. See, this is processing fee, which is the first step in your entire counseling process. And if you are someone from OC or BC or SC ST, any category, then you have to register this, and there are some different points for this. For example, see, if you are from OC BC, then in BC it may be any variety like BCA, BCB till BCE, you need to pay 1200. And if you are someone from SC ST, then you need to pay 600 as the processing fee to register yourself. And see, for paying the fee, you need to enter your hall ticket number, your registration number of TG ICET, not your qualification of the examination which is for your degree examinations. Completely TG ICET hall ticket details, and then your date of birth and this captcha over here, and then you need to pay the online fee. And if you already paid, then you can verify here from the verify payment status. Here again you need to enter the every detail so that you can check your payment status. If it's done, then you will get like something payment already done, and you will get a transaction receipt, and you can save that or you can even take a print. And then if we speak about this one, see, there are some important things that you should discuss. See, if it may be 3 phases or 2 phases, this processing fee is one time only. You don't have to pay for all the phases. If you paid this fee in the first phase, till third phase, no need to pay the entire fees again and again. With the one time login credentials, you can log in all the phases, and you can keep until you get a satisfied college. And here, slot booking. See, before you enter into this slot booking, I want you to go all to the home page and open this HLC list. See, in this, if you are someone who belongs from Kottagudem, then this is the helpline center where you can go and submit your verify your certificates offline. So if you are from Hanamkonda, then Kakatiya Government College. If you are from a different part of Hanamkonda, then University Arts and Science College, Subedari. Then from Hyderabad, there are total 5 spots, which are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College, Bhaglingampalli. Then again in Secunderabad, Government Polytechnic for Women only, East Maredpalli. And if you are someone who belongs to the special category, then you need to go for this only, which is Government Polytechnic Masab Tank. And there are different dates for each category. So on 1st August you have sports and NCC, and on 2nd August we have physically challenged and NCC cadets, and on 3rd August you have a CAP, which are children of armed forces personnel and NCC cadets. And for on again 4th August you have for NCC National Corps, and for on 5th you will be like someone who all categories can go. So if you are choosing Government Polytechnic Masab Tank Center, and if you are someone from other category which are OC, BC and SC ST, then only on 5th you can go. That's the reason, if you want to make things happen faster, then choose from the other 4 options, which are QQ Government Polytechnic Chandulal Baladari near Zoo Park, or University College of Science behind Golconda Hotel, Masab Tank, Hyderabad. So you choose these 4 options, and you ignore or exclude this instead, or even you are from someone from special category. Then once you note down this, go back, and here you can enter the entire details where we are in the slot booking option, enter these details, go and again choose the category which you are, OC, BC, SC, ST, and you have a column there and special category. So most of the students you are, I know, of OC, BC and SC, ST, choose that, and there then all the calendar will be shown. In some parts all the calendars will be shown, and if there is a green color, that means the slot has been available on that day, on that time, particular time which you have selected. Select that and then go on that particular date and time and make your certificate verification as soon as possible, because I have seen so many students not having particular certificate at that particular time. That's the reason, if you select a date and time where till when all your certificates will be ready with you, and you can go freely to that certificate verification center and make things happen. And if you have any other doubt regarding the processing fee payment or verifying your payment status or slot booking, comment in the comment section. I'll try to answer you all. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.